a numeric end screen. A numeric end screen, it will take the screen. Then next is it will take the discount. Then another it will take the selling price. And character C type means the question is, if your TV type is C, then you get a discount of 5% of selling price. If you get LCD, okay, एठी मोर कंडीशन चेक हला जदि मोर टीवी टाइप टा सी रहिला ताले मोर डिस्काउंट होबो सेलिंग प्राइस रे 5% मोर डिस्काउंट रहबो आ नेक्स्ट रे एठी को हबो ना जदि मोर कंडीशन फॉल्स होउची ताले से एल्स ब्लॉक जीवो एल्स ब्लॉक रे देखियो जदि सी टाइप एल हला तो एक्सेप्ट स्क्रीन साइज जदि मोर स्क्रीन साइज 14 हबो ताले मोर डिस्काउंट हबो 8%। यदि मोर स्क्रीन साइज 21 हबो then discount will be 10% of selling price. So यदि screen size 21 हबो discount is 10%. ज्यादा हाँ वो मनीषा बुझेला
Yes, sir.
and this is an example of consider a scenario where all the candidate have to take the two tests. The candidate will give the two tests before appearing an interview. The candidate is selected for the interview round based upon the score of two test one. The individual score in each test should greater than 75 and the average score is be minimum of 80%. Then the interview selection letter will send if all the conditions are true. If the condition is not true, the rejection letter to be sent. It is a question. The pseudocode to accept the two test score to display the selection response according to the test score. The candidate is selected for the interview round if the individual score in each test is greater than 75 and average score of the two tests is minimum of 80%, a call letter for the interview will send, or else the rejection letter is sent to the rest. Now check here, it will take the three test mark, test 1, test 2 and average. Then it will accept the mark, accept test 1, test 2, average equals to test 1 plus test 2 divided by 2. So all the things are set up. Now we are giving a condition. If your test 1 mark is greater than 75, test 2 mark is greater than 75 and average is greater than equals to 80, the interview call letter to be sent, or else the rejection letter will be sent. So here we are passing a three test mark, 75, 79, then the average we are having 77. Now the condition are checked. Test 1 is greater than 75.
No.
So false. Test 1 is not greater than 75. Test 2 is greater than 75. It is correct. Then average is greater than equals to 80. It is false. So two condition becomes false. As we are using AND operator, it return you true if all the condition is true. It return false if any one condition is false. So here it is showing you the false one. Same example, we are taking the three different mark. Test 1 is 80, test 2 is 84, then average is 82. Now when you check the condition, test 1 is greater than 75, test 2 is also greater than 75, and the average that you are also getting, that is also greater than 80. So it is showing you the interview call letter to be sent. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ये प्रोग्राम टा देखी थी तुमको?
Yes, sir.
This is next program is consider a problem of automated telephone call transfer to various departments of the company. such as marketing, finance, customer care, and human resources and information. Okay, so by defining a company, it will move to the marketing, finance, customer care, human resources, and information. So how you have to transfer? It is a question for you. It is a question. I'll show the result here. Begin numeric n call. So it is display you. If you want to get the connected to the marketing department, press 1. Finance department, press 2. Customer department, press 3. HR department, press 4. And if you are not sure to any number, any other than 1 to 4, then the call will transfer to the information department. So if you are not passing anything from 1 to 4, then automatically your information pass to the information department. So for that reason, we accept a call, accept n call. If the person is choosing 2 or the person is entered 2, the case 1 is not matched. Suppose n call, to accept a n call, suppose we pass 3, then all the things are false. When display, transfer the call to the customer department. Okay, we are passing a 3 so that it is showing you transfer the call to the customer care department. Okay. বুঝিলা এটা?
Yes, sir.
সুনীল,
Yes, sir.
সুনীল
Yes, sir.
বুঝিলা?
Again, sir.
Then next program sudoku it is
ସେଇଟା
display.
ହେଇଥିଲା
କଣ ଯେ?
ସେଇଟା କହିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ।
କହିଦେଇଛି ତ? ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା। क्वेश्चन ଟା ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା?
No, sir.
क्वेश्चन टा लिखो. Write a pseudocode to accept a 5 number and display the highest number. Okay. Write a pseudocode that accept a 5 number and display the highest number. Then write a pseudocode that accept hours and number of resources and display total number of productive hours. So write a pseudocode, accept a hours and numbers of resources and display the total number of productive hours. The productive hours equals to hour into number of resources. The next question for you, write a pseudocode to accept 3 numbers and to display the number in ascending order. Write a pseudocode to accept the 3 numbers and to display the number in ascending order. Next question, write a pseudocode to accept the age of the user, then display the category of the user. If it is 0 to 12, then it is showing you children. 13 to 19 is a teenager. 20 to 35 is young adult. 36 to 45 is mature adult. 46 to 55 is elder. 56 and above is senior. Okay, so these are the conditions we're using. So next, we start with the looping. So what is the work of looping? Looping is used to execute one statement more than one time. So if you want to execute one statement for the more than one time, we are using looping. Okay. So here, the loop is a sequence of instruction that is repeated repeated more than one. A loop must always from the certain step in a specified sequence. Okay. तो लूपिंग कौन हुए सपोज तुमको गोटे टैक्स दिया जीवो तमे गोटे स्टूडेंट रो सब इन्फॉर्मेशन तमे रखिवो माने गोटे कॉलेज रो सब पिलांकर इन्फॉर्मेशन तमे नेकी स्टोर करिवो बुझे होची जे सेते बेले तमे कोन करिवो ना गोटे स्टूडेंट रो जदी तमे तीनटा इन्फॉर्मेशन रखुछ तापरे जदी 25 टा पिला हुवंती 25 टा पिलांक पई तमे 75 टा लाइन लिखिया पड़िबो एठी से कहू जे हमें 75 लाइन न लिखी हमें तीनटा लाइन टा लिखिबा आ ताको हमें रिपीट करबा 25 टाइम तो एटा होची हमर लूपिंग रा यूजफुलनेस so it must always perform certain step in the specified sequence. The types of loop that can be used in a pseudocode is one is for loop, while loop, another is repeat until. So generally हमें कहबा जे loop होची 3 टाइप किंतु loop ता 3 प्रकार न थाए. Loop is a 2 type. One is your fixed loop, another is variable loop. Fixed loop means where the number of repetition is known. The number of repetition is known is called as a fixed loop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So generally, if you ask to anybody, they will tell that the looping is of 3 types. looping is 3 type, but actually looping is 2 type: fixed loop, variable loop. Fixed loop means, suppose if I am giving a task that you have to show me from 1 to 10, then you know that the 10 times the statement is executed. But if I am giving you a task that you have to uh, take the or store the information for a student, those are want to or interested to admit to take admission in the college. So in the prior you don't know, मते आगुरु जाना नहीं जे मु केतेटा पिलांकर मार्क्स केतेटा पिलांकर इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टोर करी. तो सेति पई कोन करिवे, मु तीनटा गोटे पिलार तीनटा इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टोर हो, तो तीनटा स्टेटमेंट को मु रिपीटेडली एग्जीक्यूट करिवे बाय यूजिंग ऑफ लूपिंग. ओके
Yes,
सर
हां तो
सर रिपीट अंटिल जहा डू व्हाइल लूप कोन सेम?
yes same.
ओके सर.
The for loop provide a compact way of specifying the statement that control the repetition of the step within the loop. The for loop contains the 3 parts. One is initialization, checking condition, then increment, decrement. First we initialize the value, then we go for a condition checking. If your condition is true or till your condition is true, the statement within the for loop is executed. If your condition is false, means at that timing your loop is stopped. The for loop contains the 3 parts. First it is initializing value. Initializing means it will take the first value को से टेक ओवर कला. तापरे कंडीशन चेक हबो, तो जे पर्यंत हमर कंडीशन टा ट्रू अछि से पर्यंत बिगिन आउ एंड भीतर मो बॉडी टा लूपिंग टा चलेली. तापरे मो इंक्रीमेंट आउ डिक्रीमेंट करी. So here it is showing you the pseudo code to accept the 10 number, then add all the number, then shows the result. Numeric n num, n sum, then counter. Counter is equals to 0, sum is equals to 0. So we are initializing the value at 0 and 0. When counter is 0, 0 less than 10, condition is true, 0 is less than 10, then it is accepted number. Then it is adding the number, n sum equals to sum plus num. Okay, so whatever the value that you are given, so it is starting from 0 and add all the value up to 9. So 0 to start hela initialization, 0 less than 10, condition true hela, tala accept n num, mu gote value enter kali. Tapare sum re 0 store achi, tar mu enter kali 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Tapare counter value eti increment hela, counter plus 1, counter kete achi 0 achi, 0 plus 1 1 hela. 1 is less than 10, condition is true, it accept another number, means move enter kali 2. So sum re kete store hela 1, 1 plus 2, or 3 value it store kori. Tapare puni kon la counter value 0 1 2 3, tapare puni hela 3. Tapare sum re mor kete rahila 1 plus 2, then 3. So 3 टा इठी ऐड हला पर मते एठी रिजल्ट शो करी. तो एमती कोन हबो ना 10टा नंबर से यूजर ठारू नब 10टा नंबर को ऐड करिवो तापर मते इंफॉर्मेशन शो कर
Yes, sir.
बुझेला कंडीशन टा
Yes, sir.
मनोरंजन
Yes, sir.
सुनील
Yes, sir.
बुझेला तो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, sir.
the for loop consists of dash part each is separated by a semicolon for loop contain how many parts
3.
3.
the for loop contain the 3 part first part is
Initialization,
okay good second part is
condition checking,
Conditional.
condition checking third part is
Increment or decrement.
Increment or decrement.
means when how the execution is happened first initialization then checking condition if your condition is true then body of the loop is execute then increment decrement is happened if your condition is false it is no going to the body part then it is increment or decrement is happened until your condition is true
yes,
Yes, sir.
while loop it execute as long as the condition specified within the loop is true. So while then condition, so till your condition is true in the while loop, then begin and end block is execute. Okay, so it is only contain the condition while loop. In for loop contain the 3 part. First initialization, checking condition, increment and decrement. So here initializing is happened above the while block. While block बाहर ही use होगा. तापर तारा जो इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट हबो सेरा व्हाइल लूप उतरे एग्जीक्यूट हो so that for while loop we are using while then condition so your till your condition is true then within the begin and end block it is execute right time hoboni etik thao eta kali class ta padibo bujela
Again, sir. Again, sir.
Yes.